Disillusioned with the big name gyms, hate being treated as a number and not as a human being, no one ever took interest in your goals. Sound familiar? I know it does for me and I work in the industry. Hi there, my name's Fergus from Fergus Fit and I want you to be one of the first 100 people to come help me change the way we look at the gym and fitness industry forever. How's that? Well, like you, when I joined the big name gyms, I got the fear. So much so, I'm opening my brand new weight loss gym on the middle of October. So how are we different? Fergus Fit is a results based gym. Now this means the only reason why I want you in my gym is to get your goals and the results and absolutely smash them. Ever wanted to fit in that little black dress for Christmas? Bored of being the fat guy in the club? Ever wanted to run your first ever marathon but don't know where to start? I love every one of these goals and I'd love you to reach them in my new gym. Now here's the thing, I need your help. I've put my name on the line, I've put a lot of money and a lot of time into the new facility. So what I need you now is to show the other gyms in the area that they suck and they should have cared about you that little bit more. I'm looking for only 100 people to be our foundation members. As soon as I get to 100 members, there will not be any more. Now, what is a foundation member? A foundation member is someone like you who wants to get results, wants a place to feel comfortable in getting those results, and you want to have a say in how the place looks and what's in it. Now this is like your own personal gym for as little as £45 per month. Yep, you've just bought your own gym complete with staff who want you to succeed and see you as a success and not just a number on a treadmill. £45 to achieve your life goals, 100 people only. If you like this, then give me your details in a little box on the right hand side and I'll be in touch with you to let you know if you've been successful. My name's Fergus from Fergus Fit and I can't wait to have a chat with you. So click on the box on the right hand side and let's change your life forever.